Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of my Valentine's Day box that I ordered from my girl. Shout out to my girl. I will put her shop and everything website down below. And yes, it's here. The queen itself is here. Darilis luxury. Okay, so this is my Darilis luxury Valentine's Day box. I got the extra love box, and you know, I'm gonna tell you. So she got like different ones. So I'm gonna explain to you what the other Valentine's Day boxes that she came out with. Pull up on my screen. Okay, so the one I got was the extra love box, which contains one set of the 12 brushes, a stack of the neon loose eyeshadows, a loose glitter, one palette of her highlighter, and 2 new lashes from her collection, which I can't wait, plus like extra goodies. Then and that one is $60. Then there's another one. Hold on, let me make sure I get the prices right because I don't want to be messing up. I don't want to be messing up everything, you know? Yeah, so the one I got was $60. The Stay in Love box cost $40. And that one contains 2 lashes from the Lash Vibes, 1 lash from the birthday, 1 lip liner, 1 hairpin, 1 Valentine's Day gloss, 1 keychain, 1 like an earring pair, and 1 tweezer plus little goodies. Then the smaller box, which costs $25, you get 1 lash from the Lash Vibe collection, 1 lash from the birthday collection, 1 Valentine's Day gloss, 1 hairpin, tweezer, and extra goodies. So yeah, she has like a lot of new great little stuff I'm going to show you. So let me open it up. This thing is good. There we go. I'm over here struggling. Oh, alright. Ooh, she's really, like, it's in there. Like, it's packed real good. Alright. Alright. First thing I see is this cute little plushie. This is so cute. I have one that's in pink from this company. She bought. I also did another one. I'm going to show you another unboxing. She also sent me like one that's like that too. So now she has like a best friend. It's so cute. Now you have a sister. I love it. Thank you. Okay. So yeah, that's another company I'm going to show you. But not on this video. Honey. Okay, so now she put little stickers on it. Little hearts. I live for it. She wrapped it up really good, so you know, post office won't, because you know they don't care. They just throw your package right on the floor like they don't care. Like when I came downstairs to get this package, the guy literally threw it and it was just chilling on the floor. I'm just like really? The disrespect. How would you feel if I came to your house and I just threw your package? Like, didn't even ring the doorbell either. Like, only reason I knew it was delivery because I got that. So, this is what it looks like. Let me take my thumbnail. Okay. I'm a mess. Clearly. It looks like... It almost fell. It looks like this. There's a lot of goodies in here, guys. So in it, she puts in her business card. I have so many of these. I do hand them out from time to time when I'm at work because people always ask me what lashes am I wearing. And I'll be like, how you don't know I'm wearing, you know, my girl's lashes? You need to go buy them. Darilis Luxury. Buy them today. What you waiting on? Use code, what is it? Tiana. No, it's Tiana X3 right there. Boom. Save some money at your checkout. Okay. And then she sent a little note. Thank you so much for continued support. You are my number one. Words cannot explain. I'm grateful and I am for you. Thank you so much for understanding the issues. I love this little note. Okay. Now, look at the detail in this card. Like, I'm gonna, like, you could frame this. Okay, so let me open up the little goodies. She put in like little candies, which I will be enjoying. Oh, I got 3 lashes. So I got the lash in Conceited. So cute. Lash in Lourish. In the style Lourish. That's cute. And then in Hottie. Hottie might be my favorite, honestly. Let me see. Yeah, I like how that one looks. Now we got in her beauty sponge. I'm obsessed, and it's pink. Everybody knows I love pink. Then I have in a pink gloss. So cute. I gotta smell it for the one good time because I know it smells. Oh my god, it smells so good. But yeah. So cute. Then, like, look how cute this is. It's just so cute. Then I have in 2 glitters. Oh, she gave me pink glitter. I love pink glitter. I'm so happy. Oh, this one almost, let me tighten it up. Got this little chunky glitter here. And then this little pink one here. So cute. Oh god, one almost fell. This is the neon eyeshadows. I will be using it. So cute. Oh, there's a lot. Let me close that up. There's a lot that come in here. Like, you getting your money's worth. Then I have, finally, I have in my hands, you know, she have sent it from God, the highlighter palette. Okay, she's been wearing it. It looked bomb on her, and I know it's gonna look bomb on me. Like, look at the packaging. Let's just admire the packaging. Okay, real nice. You know, says Darilis Luxury Flirt Lash Gloss Repeat. Yes, cute. I love it. Like, look at the highlight, guys. So pretty. I'm gonna have to swatch. I'm gonna have to swatch. Like, look how pretty. That one's in the shade Flirty. Then I'm gonna swatch Spicy. And it's so smooth and buttery, guys. Like, that wasn't Spicy. Let's do Mommy. Miami. A little Mommy. We're gonna swatch Mommy. That's a pretty copper color. Then we're gonna swatch in Love. We're gonna put you right here. So pretty. Don't worry, I'm gonna have like better swatches than this posted on my Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Look how pretty that is. Yes. And that was in 2020. That gold one that I did was 2020. And then this one is Panorama. I think I'm saying it right. I'm not sure. If not, Somebody will correct me. Look how pretty. It's so soft and smooth. It's so smooth and like very soft. Like I can't wait. Actually, no. We gonna put one on right now. Let's see. I'm gonna take Love. I might put too much. You don't need that much. Oh. Beach. Like, this is the highlight I had on before. And I put this one. My soul just left my body. Like, this is how bomb. Like, what? What? Like, I'm just gonna put a little, give my little collarbone like some extra love right here. Like, oh my god. Oh, girl, look at that shoulder. That shoulder is giving me light. I'm gonna have to put on both sides. We gotta make her even. Girl, this is my new summer highlight. Oh, oh, like, yes, honey. Oh, we're gonna have to give the girls a little moment too, you know? Like, oh. Yes. Yes. Let me blend that out a little bit. Not too crazy, but you know. Oh. Oh god. She got me out here shining like Rihanna. Live for it. Alright. Then she put in a little chocolate. I definitely will be eating this. Thank you. And then we got our brush set. It also has her name, Darilis Luxury. Oh my god, look at the brush set. So nice. I live for it. I will be using it. Oh, the brushes is so soft. Like, there's like no shedding. Like, I could go like this. There's like no hairs coming out. Oh, it's so soft. Like, you can move it on like my body. Yo, the hairs. I'm here for it. You get, so in this brush set, you get like highlighter brush, eyeshadow brush. Oh, and guys, it also has a name. It has a name. If I can focus it. I don't think you can see it, but her, oh, there you go. Her name is on the brush set. Like, what? Like, yes, honey. I live for it. So I'm going to tell you what each of the items cost. If you guys don't, if you guys want to buy everything, or you can do it separately, it's up to you. The highlighter palette costs $28.50. The she has the single glitters for like, it ranges from $5 to $6, or you could buy the combo for $22. And the combo comes, I don't have all of them, but you know, I'm gonna order the other ones I don't have. But these are the other ones that I did not get, that I will be getting soon. So yeah, the only ones I'm just missing is just like the blue one and then like the gold one. Oh, and I can actually tell you the name of the one I have. So this one is called Valentine's Day. And then the lighter pink one is called Date Me. Which looks like this. Then the neon stack costs $22. again, plus this, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get 7 shades for $22. Then the brush set costs $24, which is not bad. The beauty blender costs $3.99. And then she has the lashes. So each lash will be like $13. She do have a lash book that you can order, which you can get. I think all of them come. Let me see. I think some of them do come in the lash book, so you could also order that. You can get the lash book for $70. $70 right now. It's on sale. If you wait until the sale ends, you're going to be paying $85. And this is what the lash book will look like. I'm waiting for mine in the mail. It looks like this. You get a lot. You get around like 16 pairs of lashes. It's going to last you for a long time. I had these lashes. These are the Lash in Style Spicy for about a couple of months now. And they still, as long as you take care of them, you're fine. And then if you feel like that's too much money, you could do the smaller lash book, which contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lashes, and it looks like this. So you could do that too, and that will be $40 right now because it originally goes for $50. Then she also has the bundle. You could do both of them. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay. For about $100, because it ranges for $120. So you save some money. But yeah, I'm just waiting for my lash book to come because I'm so excited. But yeah, definitely check out my girl website and her Instagram. She posts she does like whatever looks you do, definitely post them, tag her in it. She definitely reposts them on her page so everybody gets exposure, whatever. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for when I get the lash book video. It's gonna be coming out. And yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you think, and tell me if you guys like doing like these unboxing videos, that maybe I will do more of them. But anyways, see you guys in the next video. Bye.